What's up, my friend?
So again, maybe a silly question, off topic. I said, "Hey, I'm about to go on a microphone," and my wife's exact words were, "I guess I can't vacuum now." And it is 10:30 at night here, so yeah, feel my pain, Anthony.
All right.
So my question has to do with using drones for traffic enforcement. I'm in charge of a traffic unit in my agency. We're small but mighty. We have one intersection where there's a huge issue with folks running a left-hand red arrow. My suggestion was put a drone in the air, watch these cars run the red light, and have stop teams positioned, south and north of the intersection. And the drone operator can call out the vehicle makes and models for the traffic stops. My agency and our county attorney shot it down. What do you feel about
Are you in Maryland?
I am in Maryland, yes.
But I'm not aware of any law. And look, I'm not an expert in law. I'm expert in, I definitely feel I'm pretty confident in Maryland case law, but I'm not aware of any Maryland law that says you cannot observe traffic with a drone. In fact, I'm not aware of any law in any state that says you can't observe traffic with a drone. And are they saying that it's a constitutional issue?
They won't really give an answer. We don't like it. We think there's a lot of gray area. We feel like it's, quote, sketchy. But I can't get anybody to sit down and tell me why it's a no-go.
All I can tell you is that if I was in charge over there with what I know about Maryland law and case law, I would be good to go with it. I'm not saying that we're going to do it or not do it. I'm just saying that would not be my hindrance, right? My reservation would not be that it's a legal issue, because at the end of the day, how is this person, the person who got the red light ticket, what are they going to say in court? They're going to say that my rights were violated, that this drone in the air can't see me running a red light, that I have a reasonable expectation of privacy that was violated. Because one thing that we do know is that traffic cameras see the same thing. And doesn't Maryland have red light cameras?
Maryland has red light cameras. They have speed cameras, and we are instituting school bus cameras that are catching people running by the school buses.
Yeah, of course, because you guys love your draconian state over there. You guys love enforcement.
Hey, listen, I just work here.
No, I know. I mean, you guys, you want to pick on the common man, but they can't have no guns for self-defense. So, and there's this now FFA rules. John says FFA rules. Look, I'm kind of familiar with 107, right? Port 107, which covers drones. As long as you're not hovering over moving vehicles, right? Unless it's your own vehicle, you're not hovering over moving vehicles. That's fine, but you wouldn't need to do that. You would be off center, right? You'd be over some open grass or something, correct?
Well, the intersection I'm thinking of, and when you come to Maryland to teach, I'll buy you a whiskey and I'll show you a Google map. But yeah, there's a huge open area right next to the intersection where the bird could hover and kind of point the camera towards where the violations are occurring.
Yeah,
so we look flying over top of cars.
Right. So you're not violating FFA rules. You're not over people. You're not a danger. You shouldn't be over traffic when these things anyway. So no. Yeah, Phil says unless you have an airspace. Look, I do not see a legal or constitutional issue with doing enforcement. Frankly, it's clever because it probably will send a pretty good. You can probably get a lot of people. Now, the other thing is that police have been doing aircraft traffic enforcement for decades, literally, probably over 50 years. You know what I'm saying? Like in California and so forth. So, as far as when I teach drone case law, we always start with the cases that harken back to fixed wing aircraft, right? And then helicopters and now drones. So when it comes to fixed wing aircraft, they fly over interstates all the time and find speeders. So I don't see any constitutional difference.